Thank you very much, Sorsogon Province Division.
Concepcion Pequeña National High School TLC and Majorates, with the delegates known for their Tabak Festival. Let us give way to Tobacco City.
Bicol City, City of Love and Pageant capital of the Philippines. Located in the eastern coast of Bicol Province, Tabaco has one of the oldest churches considered as a national heritage, making Tabaqueños a religious and peace-loving citizen. Our city is headed by a true Tabaqueña and a woman of substance, Honorable Shelo Crisel Lagman Luistro. We are known for Tabak Festival, a colorful event performed by talented dancers and musicians. We are the maker of bolo, not only known in the Philippines, but worldwide. We also offer native products and delicacies which Tabaqueños are proud of. You shouldn't have missed the captivating sunset as seen from San Miguel Island and the place Baguio like and most visited Mayon Planetarium. Along with the economic growth of the city, the education sector, Tabaco City Division, headed by the Schools Division Superintendent Amparo Evangeline P. Palencia, ensures to give excellent, holistic, and quality education to its stakeholders. With the joint hand of the local government unit with the coordination of Mr. Domingo C-Set Batalon, the Division School Sports Officer. Kung karas tabako, uragon ka baga, go, Purple Bladers!
Presenting, ladies and gentlemen, the Tobacco City Division Athletic Delegation. Mayor, Honorable Shelo Crisel Lagman Luistro. Vice Mayor, Honorable Nestor T. San Pablo. Councilors, Honorable Luis Renier B. Burse, Honorable Sheena Marie C. Onrubia, Honorable John G. O. Bongao, Honorable Roderick P. Martirez, Honorable Arnold P. Bragais, Honorable Raul Roy P. Borejon, Honorable Oscar R. Rocha, Honorable Julio Azada Chua Jr., Honorable Hector D. Buenconsejo, Honorable Hector D. Rodriguez, Honorable Danilo C. Buenconsejo, and Honorable Preciosissima B. Tango. Schools Division Superintendent Amparo Evangeline P. Palencia. Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Maria Luisa T. De La Rosa. CID Chief Marvin C. Clarina. OICS GOD Chief Nilo R. Panzuela. And Division School Sports Officer Domingo Seth C. Botalon. City Division.
Nature's blessed, lost in virgin land, all the seeds of hope are sown. Tested our blades were sharpened, stronger faith, living hope, enduring love. Let us rise and walk tall and with pride, let us move, Nabateños, we are one.
We would like to acknowledge the presence of LGU officials of Albay Province, Honorable Congressman Joey Sarte Salceda, and 2nd District of Albay, and Honorable Congressman Fernando Gonzalez of the 3rd District of Albay. Likewise, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Honorable Governor Al Francis C. Bichara and Honorable Board Member Ho Bilen, together with Honorable Board Member Ralph Andes. Welcome to Naga City. Let us clap our hands for the Naga Central School 2 Voyadores and Camarines Sur National High School Band and Majorettes, with the delegates from the host division of Palarong, Bicol 2018, the Pilgrim City of Ina, City of Naga.
Welcome to the Queen City of Bicol, the 3rd oldest royal city of the Philippines. The heart of Bicol, a pilgrimage city, the regional center of trade and commerce, the country's most competitive component city. Bicol region's center of education, and your maugmang lugar. This year's host to the Palarong Bicol 2018, the city of Naga.
Presenting, ladies and gentlemen, the Naga City Division Athletic Delegation, Mayor Honorable John G. Bonga, Vice Mayor Honorable Nelson S. Legacion, City Councilors Honorable Cecilia B. Velos de Asis, Honorable Gregorio R. Abunal, Honorable Jose C. Ranyola, Honorable Elmer S. Baldimoro, Honorable Mila S. D. Rakid Arroyo, Honorable Julian C. Labardia Jr., Honorable Joselito S. A. Del Rosario, Honorable Vidal P. Castillo, Honorable Rayon Cedric G. Rentoy, Honorable Salvador M. Del Castillo, Honorable Tomas Ramon A. Sanchez Jr., Schools Division Superintendent William E. Gando, CESO 6, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Mariano B. Di Guzman, CID Chief Lin Z. Padillo, SGOD Chief Renato L. Gavino, and Division School Sports Officer Francisco Leo J. Damasi. Ladies and gentlemen, the Naga City Athletic Delegation. We would like to acknowledge the presence of the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Madam Maria Leonor Lenny Herona Robredo. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
We want the world to come to us and be a part of our hopes, of our dreams, of a new beginning. We will make a different start. We will now open up our door, a city like you've never seen before. Come feel the vibrance, come hear us shout. Experience magic, come to the sound. With one city we welcome you. What you've been looking for, we have it too. With our commitment, we want you to know that we are here and we're about to show that Naga smiles to the world. To the world. Naga smiles to the world. Naga smiles to the world. Naga smiles to the world. We are proud. We want the world to come to us and be a part of our hopes, of our dreams, of a new beginning. We will make a different start. We will now open up our door, a city like you've never seen before. Come feel the vibrance, come hear us shout. Experience magic, come to the sound. With one proud city, we welcome you.
Araw-araw ikaw ang gusto kong kasama. Buhay ko'y kumpleto na tuwing nandito ka sa tabi ko o aking giliw. Di ba din ako makapaniwala na ang dati kong pangarap ay katotohanan na. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon at basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban, para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang katapusan. Dahil sa'yo mayroong pangarap, mamahal ko sa'yo pagmamahal na higit pa sa sapat. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Minuto naghihintay ng tawag mo, marinig ang boses mo. Masaya at kontento na ako. Wala nang iba pang hahanapin, basta't ikaw ang aking kapiling. Lahat magagawa dahil kasama ka. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon. At basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban. Para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang katapusan. Dahil sa'yo mayroong pangarap, pagmamahal ko sa'yo'y tapat. Para sa'yo pagmamahal na higit pa sa sapat. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Pinagdarasan ko ng sobrang sanay, tanggapin mo aking inaalay. Napasasalamat sa pag-iniwanag. Ang buhay kong ito'y nadati-dati, di ganito na kay ligaya. Oh, tanggapin ng regalo. Oh, mga rosas sa loko. Liwanag na ang buhay mo pag nilabas ko na ang puso ko. Ikaw ang tanging inspirasyon sa bawat araw na harapin. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sundan. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya. Dahil sa'yo ako'y matapang, dahil sa'yo ako'y lalaban. Para sa'yo pagmamahal na walang katapusan. Dahil sa'yo mayroong pangarap, pagmamahal ko sa'yo'y tapat. Para sa'yo pagmamahal na higit pa sa sapat. Gagawin ko ang lahat para lang sa'yo sinta. Basta't nandito ka, ako'y liligaya.
Naga City Division, the 2016 Palarong Bicol Overall Champion.
We are here, we are proud. We want the world to come to us and be a part of our hopes, of our dreams, of our new beginning. We will make a different start. We will now open up our door, a city like you've never seen before. Come feel the vibrance, come hear us shout. Experience magic, come to the sound. With one town city, we welcome you. What you've been looking for, we have it too. With our commitment, we want you to know that we are here and we're about to show that Naga smiles to the world. To the world. To the world. Smile to the world. Naga smiles to the world.
The Camarines Sur National High School Band and Majorettes are with the Regional Screening and Accreditation Officials, Clerk of Course, and Technical Officials of Archery, Arnis, Athletics, and Badminton.
Let us put our hands together for the Naga City Science High School DLC and majorates with the event and technical officials in basketball, baseball, boxing, and billiards. Thank you very much.
Applause for Carolina National High School DLC and majorates with chess, gymnastics, football, futsal events, and technical officials.
Wala kita kaya mama, come.
Elementary School, DXMC, with the event and technical officials of Sepak Takraw, softball, swimming, and table tennis.
San Isidro DXMC are with you event and technical officials of tennis, taekwondo, volleyball, wushu, and wrestling.
Opening remarks. Okay na, nakatapos ni Sargento.
Let us welcome Pacol Elementary School DXMC, together with the event and technical officials of Penjak Silat, dance sports, aero gymnastics, and special events.
Changes ko na. Pagkatapos na after yung organization, yung delegation ko na.
Thank you very much. That concludes, ladies and gentlemen, our opening parade.
At this very moment, we will be providing countless sports activities to these young athletes to build stories of sportsmanship, teamwork, and solidarity right here at Metro Naga Sports Complex as we open the Palarong Bicol 2018.
As our way of showing our unity and love for our country, let us sing the Philippine National Anthem with the Camarines National High School Band with Mr. Erwin Silieza conducting. Please stand.
We will also pray as one community with one faith, as the prayer warriors lead us to prayer.
Tayong lahat ay manalangin. Ama naming Diyos na aming Panginoon, umang aming idalangin sa iyo ang palaro na ito. Salamat po sa gabay na kami ay nakarating sa maugmang lugar ng Naga City na ligtas at higit sa lahat masaya. Aming Diyos, naway pag-isahin mo po ang aming damdamin na yakapin at angkinin ng bawat isang manlalaro ng kalahok ang iisang hangarin, iisang pagkatao, at iisang mamamayan na abutin ang mapagpalayang edukasyon sa pamamagitan ng paglalaro. Pagpalain mo po aming Diyos ang Palarong Bicol 2018 upang ito ay maging matagumpay, mailayo sa anumang sakuna o aksidente ang bawat manlalaro, maging ang mga opisyal nito. Bagaman kaming lahat ay nagnanais na magwagi sa bawat larangan nito, naway hindi namin tingnan na kalaban ang isa't isa, kundi patuloy pa rin kaming mahinahon at gawin ang kung ano ang mas nararapat para maabot ang aming mga adhikain. Dakilang Diyos, maraming salamat po dahil binigyan niyo kami ng isang panahon na napakaganda upang maging matagumpay ang pagbubukas ng palarong ito sa loob ng mga ilang araw. Dakilang Diyos na aming Panginoon, pagpalain niyo po at sa iyo po namin ipinagkakatiwala ang buong palarong ito ng Bicol 2018. At ito ang aming samot dalangin sa pangalan ng Ama, ng Anak, at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم اهدنا الصراط المستقيم اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sa ngalan ng Allah, ang mahabagin at maunawain. Ang lahat ng kaluwalhatian at pasasalamat at pagpuri ay kay Allah lamang. Ang Panginoon ng buong sanglibutan, pinakamatulungin at pinakamaunawain, ang tanging may hawak sa araw ng paghatol. Ikaw lamang po ang aming sasambahin at ikaw lang ang aming hihingyan ng tulong. Gabayan mo po kami sa mga tamang landas at hindi katulad ng mga naligaw ng landas. Ya Allah, يا الله ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما أمرته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين. Ya Allah, humingi po kami sa iyo ng tulong sa araw na ito. Na itaguyod ang larong ito sa araw na ito, ang Palarong Bicol 2018. Sana po ay gabayan mo ang mga manlalaro at ang mga coach at ang mga opisyal. Sa iyo lamang po kami humihingi ng tulong, Ya Allah. Amin. Subhana rabbuka rabbul izzat amma yasifun. Wassalamu alal mursalin. Walhamdulillah rabbil alamin.
To show harmony and unity, we will be singing the Ashan Hymn, Bicol Regional Hymn.
Raise our flag.
high, sky high. Raise our flag high, sky high, embrace the pride in our heart. As we are born as one, looking outward to the world. For grace now flow from the very start, and for prosperity to bound. We dare to dream, we dare to share together for us now. We dare to dream, we dare to share together for us Hail, dear beloved Bicolanda, home of the Virgin of Peña Francia, renowned for healing and exceeding from dawn to dusk. We're singing our praise to thee, where the flames, sparkling rivers and seas, hills and mountains, trees adore. From the shores across the seas, all nature's here to thee abound. Bicolanda, Bicolanda, our native land behold. Albay, Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon. stars will extend helping hand, upholding our values so noble and grand. We purpose geared towards the power of the youth, who needs them to bring virtues and truth, both to fulfill, protecting each one of us, finding ways to see what is righteous and just. Death and Naga, the heart of Bicol, the pilgrim city of Naga, home of the noble heroes of the land, we're with you in reaching your dreams. As the world advances through modern time, together all will be wide. Never feel afraid, you are here by my side. Together we can fly with God as our guide. With purpose geared towards the power of the youth, committed to bring virtues and truth, our oath to fulfill, protecting each one of us, finding ways to see what is righteous and just. Death and Naga, the heart of Bicol, we find aiming for the best, with a smile to the world, we'll reach you in reaching your dream. Death and Naga, the heart of Bicol, we'll reach you in reaching your dreams. We'll reach you in reaching your
Thank you so much to the members of Camarines Sur National High School Band, and special thanks to the conductor, Mr. Erwin Silieza.
Special thanks also to Reverend Sancho J. Tabuso Jr. and Ustad Zubair Makala.
Please be seated. Our gratitude is likewise extended to Sir Joseph Condeno and to the Trio Voce for reminding us that even though we belong in different provinces, we can act together as one family because we are Filipinos by faith, heart, and mind. Banners play significant meanings in every event. At this very moment, each banner that will be raised will represent its division and will serve as the identity of all the athletes and officials all throughout the game. Now may I request our Regional Director Ramon Fiel G. Absedi, together with Assistant Regional Director Tolentino C. Aquino.
May I also request the presence of our City Mayor, Honorable John G. Bongat, and the Vice Mayor of Naga City, Honorable Nelson S. Ligacion, to winch the Naga City Local Government Unit banner.
To hoist the delegation banners, may I call on our Schools Division Superintendent, William E. Gando, together with our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Mariano B. Di Guzman.
May I also request the presence of the delegation heads to raise the division banner. May we request all the delegation heads to go down, including Regional Director Ramon Absede, Assistant Regional Director Tolentino C. Aquino, our City Mayor, Honorable John G. Bongat, and Vice Mayor of Naga City, Honorable Nelson S. Ligacion. Together with our Schools Division Superintendent, William E. Gando, and Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Mariano B. Di Guzman. As a manifestation of Naga City's breakthrough as the most innovative and competitive component city in the entire country, having been declared as one of the eco-friendly cities. Ladies and gentlemen, the ceremonial raising of the delegation banners.
gentlemen, the ceremonial raising of the delegation banners. On my count, 1, 2, 3, go! There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Approaching, ladies and gentlemen, are the Go Green E-Trike of Naga City. Once again, as a manifestation of Naga City's breakthrough as the most innovative and competitive component city in the entire country, and having been declared as one of the eco-friendly cities all over the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, the Go Green E-Trike of the city of Naga. success or failure of any activity depends on the leader. I believe that more or less we can claim that Palarong Bicol 2018 is indeed a success, knowing that everything is put in place at the right time. Without much ado, let us welcome on stage the author of the Division Change Plan Transform Naga, the transformational leader of DepEd Naga, Schools Division Superintendent William E. Gando, CESO 6, for his opening remarks.
Hello. Transformation. Pagbabagong ganap. Ito ang nais mangyari ng DepEd Naga. Ito ang hamon sa ating lahat. Bakit? Bumabangon ngayon ang mga hamon na susubok sa ating mga kakayahan. Sa kasalukuyan, inuunos tayo kabi-kabila. Nariyan ang patuloy na pagngangalit ng kalikasan. Sunod-sunod na malalakas na bagyo. Baha na kamakailan lang ay naranasan dito sa atin. Lindol. At ngayon, pagputok pa ng bulkan. Ang masamang balita, hindi nahihinto ang mga kalamidad na ito. Patuloy silang mananalasa at magdudulot ng mga suliranin, ligalig, sakit at mga kahirapan. Idagdag pa ang mga salot na gawa ng tao, digmaan, kriminalidad, terorismo, droga, ang mga sakit na wala pang natutuklasang lunas. Kung mananatili tayo sa dati nating kalagayan at ang ipanglalaban natin sa mga bundok ng pagsubok na ito ay ang mga katutubo at dati nating kakayahan, hindi tayo mananalo. Mabibigo tayo at hindi magtatagumpay. Kaya kailangan tayong magbagong ganap. Ito ang dapat nating gawin. Ito ang dapat nating simulan. Tumuklas at mag-angkin tayo ng mga bagong kaalaman, mga higit na kakayahan, at mas malalim na mga pagpapahalaga. Ano pa po ang dahilan kaya dapat nating magbagong ganap? Dahil bukod sa mga nabanggit na pagsubok, bumabangon din ngayon ang hamon ng pag-unlad at globalisasyon. ASEAN integration na po mula pa noong 2015. Kaya ang paksa natin ay nakaugnay sa ASEAN integration upang maipaalala at maikintal sa isip at puso natin na ang tanaw natin ay hindi lamang dapat pambansa, dapat pang-Asia na, pang-mundo. Kaya sa mga atleta, coaches at trainers na nandito, ang dapat nasa isipan natin, hindi lang makarating sa palarong pambansa, kundi maging world class. Nandito tayo sa panahong dapat ay mulat at handa tayo makipagsabayan sa dakong ito ng mundo. Pangilan ba tayo sa Asian Games? Kumusta ang Pilipinas sa usaping pang-ekonomiya? Napag-iiwanan na po tayo. Patuloy tayong mapag-iiwanan kung hindi tayo magbabagong ganap. Papaano? Kaya po tayo nandito. Kaya po may palaro. Sa palaro, magmamasid at mag-aaral tayo. Pagmamasdan at tutularan natin ang isang kampyon. Kaya siya nananalo ay dahil sa matinding hangaring, mas paunlarin ang kanyang kakayahan. Kailangan niyang buong tiyagang magsanay, nang magsanay. Tiisin ang hirap, gutom, uhaw at pagod. Supilin, disiplinahin ang kanyang sarili. Kuminsan, kailangan pa niya itong pagdamutan upang maabot niya ang kanyang pangarap. Makasabay siya sa mga katunggali at mapagtagumpayan, maging ang masarili niyang kahinaan. Maging gaya tayo ng isang kampyon. Ito ang pagbabagong ganap na dapat nating hangarin. Ang Palarong Bicol 2018 ay isang pagkakataon upang maging kampiyon tayo sa puso at isipan. Hindi lamang dito, kundi sa tunay na buhay. Ang buhay ang tunay na sports complex at playing venue. At ang nananalo rito ay ang patuloy na umagapay sa mga pagbabago. Patuloy na nagbabagong ganap. Kagaya ng Metro Naga Sports Complex na ito, mula sa kahambal-hambal na kalagayan at kasiraan pagkatapos ng bagyo, dahil po sa mapagpalang kamay ng mabuting alkalde, mga konsel at opisyal ng lungsod, at bawat Nagenyong nagbabayad ng buwis, ito ay bumangon at pinaging bago ang kanyang sarili upang patuloy na maging dakong likhaan ng mga kampyon. Binabati natin ang mga delegasyon mula sa lalawigan ng Albay, lungsod ng Legazpi, Tabaco, Ligao, at ilang bahagi ng Camarines Sur, dahil pinagtatagumpayan nila ang hirap na dulot ng pagputok ng bulkan at pagbangong muli. Narito sila ngayon upang magpakita sa atin ng halimbawa ng katatagan. Palakpakan po natin sila! Saganang amin sa DepEd Naga, kaya po kahit po mahirap, kasama ng aming LGU, tinanggap po namin ang pag-host nitong Palarong Bicol 2018 kahit katatapos lang namin noong 2016. Kasi po, inahamon namin ang aming mga sarili mula sa aming mga mag-aaral, mga guro at mga opisyal, at ngayon, lahat ng mga atletang Nagenyo na magbagong ganap. Pag-usayan at higitan ang sarili, patuloy na paunlarin ang mga kakayahan. Mabuhay ang atletang Nagenyo! Transform! DepEd Naga. Sa pangunguna po ng aming pinakamamahal na puno ng lungsod, Mayor John, ang kagalang-galang na mga katuwang din niya sa pamahalaan, mga kabalikat naming mga ahensya sa sektor ng pangkapayapaan, pangkaayusan, pangkaligtasan at pangkalusugan, ng lahat ng guro, opisyal at mag-aaral sa mga pampubliko at pribadong mga paaralan sa siyudad ng Naga. Taos-puso po kaming bumabati at sumasalubong sa inyo, mga ginigilaw namin panauhin. Ang ating Direktor, Sermon Absede at mga opisyalis ng DepEd Region 5 at mga kinatawan ng LGU sa iba't ibang syudad at lalawigan sa buong Kabicolan. Lalong-lalo na po sa ating panauhing pandangal, ang kagalang-galang na pangalawang Pangulo ng Bansa, ang kauna-unahang Bicolanong naluklok sa pangalawang pinakamataas na tungkulin sa bansa, ang ating kampyon, Ma'am Maria Leonor Rona Robredo. Tuloy po kayo sa ating Palarong Bicol 2018. Mabuhay at magbagong ganap, atletang Uragon, atletang Bicolnon. Tapos na po.
Thank you so much, Sir Gando, for transforming Naga City Division for the benefits of our students, teachers, personnel, and staff.
According to Vince Lombardi, leaders aren't born, they are made. They are made by hard effort, which is the price which all of us must pay to achieve any goal which is worthwhile.
This event will not be possible without the initiative, support, effort, and dedication of this innovative leader. He carefully examined every detail before this event was realized. He is definitely the brains of Palarong Bicol 2018, the man of aspirations, and a person who never resists to change. The city mayor of this multi-awarded city, Honorable John G. Bongat, for his welcome remarks.
Maray na banggi sa Satuya Gabos. Good evening. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Erot pa po sa Gabos ang pagtaong galang sa Satuya po pinakapadangat na aki kang Naga, the great Bicolana, our very own Vice President Leni Robredo, and our very own Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, the official dam of the City of Naga, Vice Mayor Nelson Legacion, and the City Councilors, Governors, yan po si Governor Al Francis Bichara of Albay, Governor Bobet Lee Rodrigueza of Sorsogon, Governor Kua of Catanduanes, And of course, Camarines Sur's Vice Governor Ato Peña. Congressman Gonzales, yaon man po dyan. Paro pakanta po. Ang mga city mayors na nakikisumaro po sa okasyon na ini, Kambicolandia. City Mayor of Iriga City, Madel Yorobe Alfelor. Of Ligao City, City Mayor Patty Gonzales Alsua. And of Sorsogon City, City Mayor Sally Lee. Sa gabos po mga opisyales kang gobyerno lokal na nagkakasararo po ngunyan sa DepEd, headed by Regional Director Ramon Fiel Absede, and of course the host division, which is the division of Naga SDS Schools Division Superintendent William Gando, and the rest of the officials of DepEd, Naga, and the different divisions of Bicolandia. Maray na banggi po sa Tuya Gabos. Lalong-lalo na po sa mga atleta, mga Bicolano, sa atletang Nagenyo na yaraon po dyan. Ang sakuya pong pagsaludo sa Indo Gabos. Aramtaman po baga na ang Palarong Bicol is one avenue that unites Bicolandia. Asin ngunyan na banggi. Ang anom na probinsya, 7 syudad, nagkakasararo na naman para sa saro asin makusog na Bicolandia. I will be very brief. I will take this opportunity to give tribute to the province of Albay and the cities of Ligao, Legazpi, and Tabaco. Yun po pala, yaw kasubago si Mayor Luistro, kang Tabaco City. And by way of tribute, tarantaman po baga, arual daw, nagtutugaan mayon, dawa, dainggayo, preparado, yaraon, nagpapailing, kang orag, asin tibay, kang Bicolano. And because of that, please watch. I will invite your attention to the 2 big screens. Ayan po si Congressman Joey Salceda. Dalanon na po ang tribute ng syudad ni Naga para sa Albay asin sa mga syudades kang Albay. Salamat po. Mabuhay pa ang Bicolandia. Sararong Bicolano para sa Sarong Bicol. Salamat po.
Sometimes when I feel alone, I close my eyes and say a prayer. I realize that I'm not alone, that you're here by my side. Stumble and fall, I call to you to give me strength and make me feel that I'm not alone. I thank you, Lord, for helping me through.
times when no one seems to care, there's always you I find everywhere. That's why I hang on to my faith, 'cause you make me feel that life is great. And you said, ask and you will receive. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be open to you. I have faith in you, I have faith in you, I have faith in you, my Lord. I have
Mayon is an original composition of our very own, the City Mayor of Naga City, Honorable John G. Bongat. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Good leaders are trailblazers, making a path for others to follow. Great leaders, however, inspire their people to reach higher, dream bigger, and achieve greater. Perhaps the most important leadership skill you can develop is the ability to provide inspiration to your team. Joining us today is indeed a great person. Let us all welcome our Regional Director, Ramon Fiel G. Absede, to introduce the keynote speaker for this afternoon's affair. Of G63 of Camarines Sur, for without this person, this success will not be possible. To introduce our keynote speaker, let us all welcome our beloved District Congressman, Honorable Gabriel Bordado.
Maray na banggi po sa Indugabos. Subago rin ko na bibisto itong pigpapasabi ka sa tuyang MC. Bago pa lang talaga ako. Itong pigsabi ka sa tuyang pong MC para ki Regional Director Absedi. O bakit na po, si Regional Director Absedi. Gusto ko man pong i-acknowledge ang mga bisita ta ngunya digdiyo. Of course, yaon po ang sa tuyang padagat na Vice Presidente kang Pilipinas, Her Excellency Vice President Maria Leni Herona Robredo. Yaon po si Governor Al Francis Bichara kang Albay. Yaon po si Governor Bobet Lee Rodrigueza kang Sorsogon. Governor Joseph Coa kang Catanduanes. Yaon po si Vice Governor Fortunato Peña kang Camarines Sur. Yaon si PSC Regional Coordinator Dorothy Neil Duruin. Yaon po of course ang satuyang DepEd Regional Director Ramon Fiel Absedi. Yaon man po ang satuyang Schools Division Superintendent ng Naga City, Mr. William Gando. Kaiba na po ang sa iyang Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Manny Di Guzman, asin ang gabuspong mga opisyales kang Department of Education. Uro pa kanta po sinda. Karibanan tamandigdiyo ang sakuyang mga pag-iriba sa Kongreso. Yaon po si Congressman Joey Salceda kang Albay. Yaon po si Congressman Fernando Gonzales kang Albay. Yaon po si Congressman Cesar Sarmiento kang Catanduanes. Ang mga alkalde, subago na dangog na si Mayor John Bongat, na iyo po ang nag-compose katong kantang ito. Sabi katong sa tuyang MC, magayuno na maray na kanta. Mayor John Bongat kan Siyudad ning Naga. Yaon po si Mayor Madeleine Alflor Gasmin kang Iriga. Mayor Patricia Gonzales Algua kang Ligaw. Yaon po si Mayor Sally Lee kang Sorsogon City. Yaon po si Mayor Cielo Crisel Lagman Luistro kang Tabaco. And ang pinakapamayo po kang Naga City Philippine National Police Director Jonathan Panganiban. Yaon man po ang mga Vice Mayor, si Vice Mayor Nelson Ligacion kan Naga, Vice Mayor Ruby Morano, Vice Mayor Sherwin Kissing, Vice Mayor Nestor San Pablo, mga board members, mga councilors, asin iba pa pong mga local government unit officials. Of course, ang mga athletes, coaches, trainers, technical officials, and ang mga kamagurangan. Subago po, I had been assuring and reassuring the Vice President that my message would be very short. So I came up with a prepared speech. I am deeply honored to welcome all of you to our beloved city, Naga City, the heart of Bicol. Once again, Naga City is hosting the Palarong Bicol, which has for decades served not only as the avenue to gather all the top athletes in the region, but also to express our solidarity with each other. Indeed, now more than ever, we need solidarity as we face off with the realities and challenges on the grounds, including the urgent need of reaching out to our fellow Bicolanos in Albay. Let's give a round of applause to the people of Albay, now bearing the full brunt of Mayon's literal fire and fury. So on this note, ladies and gentlemen, I am hoping and praying that the Palarong Bicol will be an unqualified success. Let the games begin. Mabuhay po ang Bicol! Mabuhay po ang Palarong Bicol! Mabuhay po Kitagabos!
Thank you so much, Congressman Gabriel Bodado, for continuously touching the lives of our young generations through your actions and words of wisdom. You are indeed an inspiration. And at this moment, our Regional Director, Ramon Fiel G. Absede, to introduce the keynote speaker for this afternoon's affair.
Mga kababayan, mga kabataang manlalaro, mga kabataang mag-aaral, mga Kariyon 5, the ever-resilient Bicolanos, I have the honor to introduce to all of you the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Vice President Maria Leonor Herona Robredo.
Ayun. Mabalos na maray, magturukaw po kita. Maray na banggi sa Indogabos. Ayan. Subago po, pigdadalan ko si Parada, garo nagbabaralik sa ko si Gabos kong pinag-agihan. Sabi ko, puon pala 1999. Hanggang ngunyan, garo primerong pagkakataon ngunya na banggi, na nag-a-attender ako ning opening ning Palarong Bicol, na bako akong magurang ning atleta. Taon-taon, puon kang si sakuyang matua, si Aika, nagbabali sa palaro hanggang sa sakuyang pinakanguhod, yaon ako sa gabos na opening kang Palarong Pambansa, bit-bit ang gabos na gamit, bako lang si mga bulusan pero pati merindalan bilang sarong magurang. Kaya kang matararam na pinakiulayan ko si Congressman Gabi. Sabi ko, rikasan sa na ang pagtaram. Taparagal na yan mga aking iyan. Paragal naman si mga magurang na nagbabarantay. Paragal na si mga DepEd na nagpara-arasikaso sa inda. Paragal na ang mga LGU officials gusto na magpuruli. Ano? Pero bago ako magpaaram, duwa lang ang mensahe. Primero, para sa satuyang mga atleta, congratulations. Bilang sarong magurang ning mga atleta, aram ko na dai suba-suba. An sa indong presensya ngo niya nabanggi. Pawis at dugo, an sa indong itinao para mag-qualify digdiyo sa Palarong Bicol. Kaya gabos kamong yaon digding mga atleta, gana na kamo gabos dahil you earned your place, you earned your participation in the Palarong Bicol. Good luck sa mga masunod na aldaw. Sa mga atleta, aramtan na iyon ni ang highlight kang taon-taon. Pinagpagalan ninda ini. Bako lang ning sarong taon, pero pirang taon pinagpagalan para makasali sinda ngunyan. Kaya good luck, i-enjoy ta ang satuyang experience. Dahil pag kita nagururang na, pag kamo nagururang na, perminindong babalikan. Si mga taon, nayaon kamo digdiyo, nakikipagkompetensya. Pag kamo nagdarakula, na kamo na ang mag-aramigo, mag-aramiga. Si sakuyang mga aki, hanggang ngunyan, si mga nasasabatan sa palaro, hanggang ngunyan, iyuman giraray ang hugos na mga amigo. Panduang mensahe sa kapinakahuri. Mensahe ning pasasalamat. Ini ang dainahihiling kan iba. Na bago kita makaabot sa momentong ini, ang pagal na idinusay, kan satuyang mga DepEd officials husto na sana. Kaya sa satuyang DepEd officials, syempre sa panginginot ni RD Absede, saka ni Sir Gando, na iyo ang host DepEd office, sigabos na mga teachers, sigabos na mga administrador kan DepEd, mabalos sa Indogabos. Panduwa, salamat sa satuyang coaches, salamat sa satuyang technical officials, aram ko man na taon-taon, iyon niyo ang sakripisyong pigigibo nindo. Bako sana sa panahon kang palaro, pero sa araal daw na ginibo kan Diyos, pinagpepreparan ang momentong iniyo. Ang pinakahuring dapat pasalamatan, pero bako man si pinakadikit na ikontriber, dahil kung mayo sinda, dai mangyayari ini ang satong mga local officials. Ang unya nabanggi kaibanan ta ang nagkakapirang governor, Governor Al Francis Bichara kang Albay, Governor Joseph Cua kang Catanduanes, Governor Bobet Lee Rodrigueza kang Sorsogon, yaon man po si Vice Governor Ato Peña kang Camarines Sur, balita ko sa bago yaon si Vice Governor Jonah Pimentel kang Camarines Norte, si Satuya pa pong ibang local officials, yaon digdi si Satuya mga mayors, syempre sa panginginot kan Satuyang host mayor, ang matibayon na Mayor kang Naga, Mayor John Bongat, yaon man po Mayor Madel Alfelor kang Iriga, Mayor Patty Gonzales Algua kang Ligao, Mayor Sally Lee kang Sorsogon, Mayor Crisel Lagman Luistro kang Tabaco, ang nakaulay ko kasuod ma si Mayor Noel Rosal, mahabol siya ngunyan. Ayaon man po si satuyang dahilan kung taano igwa kitang gagastuson. Ang ngunyan na palaro, ang naga-aprobar kan satuyang budget. Ayaon po ang satuyang mga congressman, Congressman Gabi Bordado kang 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Joey Salceda kang Albay, Congressman Nando Gonzales kang Albay, subago po yaon da si Congressman Cesar Sarmiento kang Catanduanes, ayaon man digdiyo sa tuyang PSC Regional Director Dorothy Miel Doroin, maray na banggi po sir, sa indo po gabos na nagtarabang, nagparagal, sa tuyang mga performers, sa tuyang mga singers, sigabos na mga officials kang City Hall kang Naga, kang DepEd Naga, mabalos sa indong maray ang satuyang pagpaabot ning dakulang pasasalamat sa gabos na pagal na idinanay nindo. Sana iniyong palaro na niyo permitang ginigirumdum na iniyo sarong dakulaon na entablado para ipahiling ta ang husay, ang pagkauragon kan mga Bicolano. Pero sa pagsabi ta po kani gustutang tawanan ning espesyal na pasasalamat ang satuyang mga official sa mga atleta kang Albay, saka sa mga syudad kang Albay, ang Ligao, ang Legazpi, ang Tabaco, na sa tahaw kang kadakol na problema duman sa inda, pigrekonosir ninda kung gaano kahalaga ang okasyon na iniyo. Dawa kadakol ning kadipisilan, pinadaraman giraray ang sendang mga atleta. Kaya iyan po nagpapahiling. Nadawa sa tahaw ning kadakol na kadipisilan, kita saro sa ng pamilya, sarong rehiyon, sarong Bicol nun. Kaya sa indo po, ang samuyang pagsaludo, mabalos na maray, good luck sa satuyang mga atleta, maray na banggi sa indo gabos.
Thank you so much, Madam Maria Leonor Herona Robredo, the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, for taking time to be with us. It is truly an honor and privilege to have you in this grandiose sport activity. Presentation of plaque of appreciation, token and bouquet by our Regional Director Ramon Fiel G. Absedi, together with our Schools Division Superintendent William E. Gando. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Of course, this event will not be completed without recognizing the presence of the participants. To present them, may I call in the Chief of the Education Support and Services Division of Region 5, Engineer Ronald C. Asis.
Lenny Robredo, the Vice President of the Republic of the Philippines, Deputy officials headed by Ardimon of SEDE, the governors, congressmen of the Bicol region, of course the city mayors, deputy officials, special mention to SDS Gando, ASDS Money, coaches, officiating officials, athletes, other sports enthusiasts, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. May I present to you the delegates of the 6 provincial divisions and 7 city divisions of Region 5. From Albay Division, with 864 delegates headed by SDS Bibiano I. Cintillas. From Camarines Norte Division with 724 delegates headed by OIC SDS Sir Wilfredo Guevara. From the division of Camarines Sur with 928 delegates headed by SDS Arnolfo Balane. From the division of Catanduanes with 628 delegates headed by SDS Socorro B. De La Rosa. From the division of Masbate Province with 620 delegates headed by SDS Jose L. Doncillo. From the division of Sorsogon Province with 760 delegates headed by SDS Loida Nedia. From Legazpi City Division ilang ba to? 715 with 715 delegates headed by SDS Cecil Bernadette Rivera. From Iriga City Division with 498 delegates headed by SDS Cristito M. Morcilla. From Ligao City Division with 332 delegates headed by SDS Maria Luisa P. Samaniego. From the division of Masbate City with 476 delegates headed by SDS Nene R. Merioles. From the division of Sorsogon City with 408 delegates headed by SDS Nimpa D. Guemo. From the division of Tabaco City with 441 delegates headed by SDS Evangeline P. Palencia. And the last but not the least, the host division, the division of Naga City. With 827 delegates headed by Mr. Transformation SDS William E. Gando. Of course, we would like also to present to you a total of 1,100 technical officials coming from the different divisions of Region 5, serving for 27 events, 24 regular events, 3 demo sports, and the special events. The technical officials from the whole Bicol region. So we have a total of almost 9,271, nearing to an estimated 10,000 participants in this 2018 Palarong Bicol. We hope for a very memorable Palarong Bicol this 2018. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you, Engineer Ronald Assis.
And now, let's be entertained with this intermission number to share and inspire us through their golden voices. Applause, ladies and gentlemen, to the spectacular, the multi-talented, the Ariola Sisters.
Hello.
Mama told me not to waste my life. She says, pray always, my little butterfly. Don't let what they say keep you up at night, and they can give you, and they can walk on by. Feet can't touch the ground, and I can't hear a sound, but you just keep on walking up your line. Yeah, walk on over there. It's time to fight to care. Oh yeah, your words don't mean a thing. I'm not listening. Keep talking. All I know is Mama told me not to waste my I'm sorry for you, babe. Let's find a light inside of universe now, where ain't nobody keep on holding us down. Just come and get it, let them say what they say, 'cause I'm about to put them all away. Oh, babe. 1, 2, 3, come on, girls. No, I like it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da. No, no. Oh, babe, let's find a light inside our universe now, where ain't nobody keep on holding us down. Just come and get it, let them say what they say, 'cause I'm about to put them all away. Daughters of May. Thank you, Bob.
Thank you, ladies.
At this juncture, let us welcome the entrance of the Palarong Bicol banner by the selected CAT unit of Camarines Sur National High School for the turnover and acceptance of the Palarong Bicol hosting. Ladies and gentlemen, may I request Congressman Joey Sarte Salceda of the 2nd District of Albay to represent the Mayor of Legazpi City, Honorable Noel D. Rosal, with the DepEd officials, SDS Cecile Bernadette P. Rivera, and ASDS Norma B. Samantela, for the turnover.
And for the acceptance to host this year's Palarong Bicol, may I request the presence of our City Mayor, Honorable John G. Bonga, with the DepEd officials, Schools Division Superintendent William E. Gando, CESO 6, and Assistant Schools Division Superintendent Mariano B. De Guzman.
the modern times with ancient Greece, conveying a sense of continuity and an air of respectability and authority.
The torchbearers are actual athletes by blood and by heart. This family competed silently yet brought pride in Naga City in various sporting events, both in local and international arena.
The first torchbearer is Nelba Olaira Olaso. She was awarded as Outstanding Athlete of the Year when she graduated in elementary and high school. In 1972, she won the gold medal in high jump in the first interscholastic meet held at Vigan, Ilocos Sur. From then on, she received numerous awards in high jump, long jump, 100 hurdles, and heptathlon, both local and national games. She also participated in friendship games held in Singapore and Malaysia. She also submitted herself to Gintong Alay to further enhance her skills. She won 4th place in the 9th SEA Games in Jakarta, Indonesia. Accredited official and coach in athletics.
At this point, the torch is now received by Jennifer Olaso Harris, gold medalist in high jump, triple jump, and 100 hurdles in the Palarong, Bicol from 1988 to 1992. Bronze medalist in 100 hurdles, Palarong, Pambansa. Gold medalist in high jump, triple jump in the National Open Invitational Games Junior Division. Received various awards in provincial, regional, and national Prizaa. Silver medalist in triple jump, Palarong, Pambansa, 1997.
Finally, the torch is handed over to Charlemagne Gail Olaso Harris, who exhibits outstanding sports qualities as a player. Indeed, she was a bronze medalist in 100-meter dash last Palarong Bicol 2016.
continue to glow to eradicate darkness in our society and brighten up our future.
To be a player and later on an athlete requires a lot of effort, dedication, and commitment. It is somehow putting oneself in one commitment where you are expected to be honest and you are aware of your accountability to your team as a whole.
To lead the athletes for the oath of sportsmanship and amateurism, may I call on Jane Finella R. Bongat, Naga City swimmer.
Itaas po ninyo ang inyong kanang kamay at sumunod sa akin. Kami, mga manlalarong kumakatawan sa iba't ibang samahang pampalakasan, nakalahok sa DepEd Palarong Bicol 2018, ay nagpapahayag sa pamamagitan nito na kami ay mga baguhan at nangangakong makikipagpaligsahan sa mga larong ito sa diwa ng tunay na pakikipaglaro. Patnubayan nawa tayo ng poong may kapal.
Let us clap our hands for Jade Finella R. Bongat. And to all the athletes, good luck and more power!
To lead the delegation heads with their team on the pledge of officiating officials, let us call in the TMC Vice Chairman, Bicol Region Athletic Association, Al P. Pilgone.
Tama po, ma-pledge kaya.
To all officials, kindly raise your right hand and follow after me. Please rise. We, the officiating officials, renew our dedication to the missions which have been given to us. Respect and abide by the rules that govern 2018 Palarong Bicol in the spirit of sportsmanship for the glory of sports and honor of the officiating officials, coaches, athletes. We promise to officiate and work together to support the principle of fairness, respect, responsibility, and safety in sports. We promise to work in partnership with the national, regional, and all local sporting bodies to prevent and deal with appropriate behavior including discrimination, harassment, favoritism, biases, and other form of abuses. With this, we do hereby promise to love and improve and protect the integrity of the Palaro 2018. So help me God.
Thank you very much.
At this point, let's welcome the 2018 students of Camarines Sur National High School for the release of balloons. May I request again the presence
Our Regional Director Ramon Fiel G. Absedi to formally open the Palarong Bicol 2018.
Thank you.
With the presence of the delegation heads, officials, festival kings and queens.
us and be a part of our hopes, of our dreams, of a new beginning. We will make a different start. We will now open up our door, a city like you've never seen before. Come feel the vibrance, come hear us shout. Experience magic, come to the south. We welcome city, we welcome you. What you've been looking for, we have it too. With our commitment, we want you to know that we are here and we're about to show that Naga smiles to the world. 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 Naga smiles to the world.
Ako na. By virtue of the power vested in me by the Secretary of the Department of Education, Secretary Leonor Magtolis Briones, and as Regional Director of DepEd Region 5, I hereby declare Palarong Bicol 2018 open. Let the games begin!
To the basketball and volleyball courts to pave way to the third part of our program.
Of a new beginning, we will make a different start. We will now open up our door, a city like you've never seen before. Come feel the vibrance, come hear us shout. Experience magic, come to the south. With one proud city, we welcome you. What you've been looking for, we have it too. With our commitment, we want you to know that we are here and we're about to show that Naga smiles to the world. Naga smiles to the world.
Again, may I request the athletes to vacate the grounds. Please move forward to the basketball and volleyball courts to pave way to the third part of our program.
Pwede mo na sir, introduce po.
We are here, we are proud. We want the world to come to us and be a part of our hopes, of our dreams, of a new beginning. We will make a different start. We will now open up our door, a city like you've never seen before. Come feel the vibrance, come hear us shout. Experience magic, come to the south. We welcome city, we welcome you. What you've been looking for, we have it too. With our commitment, we want you to know that we are here and we're about to show dreams of a new beginning. We will make a different start. We will now open up our door, a city like you've never seen before. Come feel the vibrance, come hear us shout. Experience magic, come to the sound. We welcome city, we welcome you. What you've been looking for, we have it too. With our commitment, we want you to know that we are here and we're about to show that Naga smiles to the world.
Our performers will depict the Pangalay Lolay Linyangit is a traditional fingernail dance of Tausug people, ethnic group of the Sulu archipelago, Sabah, Malaysia, and Indonesia.
The dance is the most distinctive Asian of all the southern Philippine dances because dancers must have dexterity and flexibility of shoulders, elbows, and wrists.
The dance also means offering, from its Sanskrit origin, pang-alay, predominantly performed during festive events. Let us be entertained as we witness the dance formations and field demonstrations by the selected 5,000 high school students of Camarines Sur National High School.
Oh, it's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life. Alright. Oh, it's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sun shine. Hey, it's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful life. Make your move and make love till the sun shine. Sexy ladies going crazy, put your hands in the air. We can party, get retarded, acting like we don't care. All my fellas popping bottles with your drinks in the sky. Glasses high, feel the vibe. It's a
of our dreams, of our new beginning. We will make a different start. We will now open up our door. A city like you've never seen before. Come feel the vibrance, come hear us shout. Experience magic, come to the south. With one proud city, we welcome you. What you've been looking for, we have it too. With our commitment, we want you to know that we are here and we're about to show that Naga smiles to the world. Naga smile to the world. Naga smile to the world. Naga smile to the world. Naga smiles to the world. We are proud. We want the world to come to us and be a part of our hopes, of our dreams, of our new beginning. We will make a different start. We will now open up our door. A city like you've never seen before. Come feel the vibrance, come hear us shout. Experience magic, come to the south. With one proud city, we welcome you. What you've been looking for, we have it too. With our commitment, we want you to know that we are here and we're about to show that Naga smiles to the world. Naga smile to the world. Naga smile to the world. Naga smile to the world. Naga smiles to the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, the spectacular fireworks display!
We are here, we are proud. We want the world to come to us and be a part of our hopes, of our dreams, of our new beginning. We will make a different start. We will now open up our door. A city like you've never seen before. Come feel the vibrance, come hear us shout. Experience magic, come to the south. With one proud city, we welcome you. What you've been looking for, we have it too. With our commitment, we want you to know that we are here and we're about to show that Naga smiles to the world. Naga smile to the world. Naga smile to the world. Naga smile to the world. Naga smiles to the world.
Words are not enough to express how grateful we are as Nagaños to be the host of the 2018 Palarong Bicol. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Joseph S. Avila with Lucille Bilano Alonso.
Thank you very much for gracing this occasion. To all the men and women who work so hard to make this event possible, our gratitude to all of you.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Naga City Technical Working Committee for Palarong Bicol 2018 and the Dapat Naga City Production Team.
We have it too. With our commitment, we want you to know that we are here and we're about to show that Naga smiles to the world. Naga smile to the world. Naga smile to the world. Naga smile to the world. our hopes, of our dreams, of a new beginning. We will make a different start. We will now open up our doors.
Technical Working Committee, Accommodation and Amenities, Deputy Focal Persons, Engineer Jun Marie Aguilar and Marie Christine Ignacio, LGU Focal Persons, Engineer Ernel Adoque and Engineer Christopher Arce, Exhibit and Fairs, Hernan E. Bobis and Solomon R. Sales, together with Mr. Alex Santos. Awards and Ceremonies, Marlene B. Aguilar, Maria Teresa Ruizo, Mr. Noel A. Aban, Mr. Mark Anthony Angeles. Field Demonstration, Sulpicio Alvarez III, Nympha C. Regalado, Pemi Polvorosa, Mr. Jefferson Achas. Likewise, we would like to acknowledge the UNC NCF MAPE Majors Practicumers. And of course, the class advisors of these 5,000 high school students of Kamhay.
Budget, Finance, Procurement, Supplies, and Sports Equipment. Salvacion T. Verona, Mary Ann Encila, Melita Canton, together with Mr. Hernani B. Soron and Mr. Ray Bantog. Food Services, we have Ma'am Adelina L. Dinido, Gemma Falabi, with Mr. Josan Cielo and Miss Josephine Suazon. General Service Security, Traffic and Parking Management, Sharmita Motorgo, Mary Ann Rosario, with Naga City Police Director.
Program and Invitation, Corazon Fatima Celerio, Teresita Irma S. Dico, Mrs. Josephine Tuazon. Program Sequence, Choreography and Execution, Jobert P. Narvades and Mama Rina Govino, together with Mr. Alan Rion Danga. Opening and Closing Parade, Benedict Warren Obante and Mr. Romel Napukaw, together with Mr. Noel A. Aban.
Solidarity Meeting and Refresher Course, Neil Romano Manaog and Noemi Macalya, together with Mr. Francis Justin Barha. Program and Distribution, Emily E. Brofas, Mary Ann A. Papica, together with Mr. Augusto Celo, Mr. Francis Justin Barha. Reception and Entertainment, Gina B. Bobis, Nancy Sibayan, together with Miss Zaida Rifarial.
Grandstand Management, Gerardo Brizuela, together with Maria Corazon Verde Flor and Mr. Edmar Barotillo. Media and Publicity, Game Results and Communication, Pepito Evangelista, together with Salvador Ferro III and Mr. Alan Rion Danga. Medical Services, Dr. Joan G. Sebastian and May Magdalena V. Yorobe, together with Dr. Butch Borja and Dr. Joey Blasco. Newsletter and Photo Documentation, Annalisa F. Abulo, together with Irma De Jesus and Mr. Alan Riondanga.
Quality Assurance, Francisco Leo J. Damasic, Joretse Carandang, and Joseph M. Condeno, and Mr. Hernani B. Soron. Socials and Cultural Night, Joseph Condeno, Eliazar Francis A. Fernandez, together with Mr. Alex Santos. Ways and Means, Jerome H. Baldemoro and Joanne Dulong, and Mr. Florencio T. Mongoso.
For the souvenir program, we have Baby Ruby Lorente, Norbelia Avila, Mr. Alan Rion Danga, and Mr. Alex Santos. Sounds and Lights, Antonio Baloro and Ireneo Miquilio, together with Mr. Roderick P. Darila. Ashers and Asherettes, Maria Belen Q. Lorcha and Elsa Malapo, together with Miss Zaina Referencial. Playing venues, Elvin B. Monroy and Oscar Chavez, together with Mr. Ray Bantog.
Transportation, Michael Del Rosario and Michael Basister, together with Miss Nora Saniel. Administration Support and Services, Joretse Carandang and May Gavino, together with Mr. Hernani B. Soron. Clean and Green, Charmy Tomo dramaturgo with Engineer Joel Martin.
Ladies and gentlemen, the DepEd Naga City production team.
To start with, we have Ma'am Pemi Polvorosa,
Clark Aquino,
Darin I. Aboga,
Levi San Jose,
Resty Masbate,
Marlon Aquino,
Ramon Jeronimo,
Lucille P. Alonso,
Joseph S. Avila,
Paulo Joshua Sarmiento,
Pinky Estrella,
Carl Joseph Talento,
Hil Depositario,
Malu Labao,
Esther Reyes,
Niña Cibulo,
Julie Sabalyegue,
Maria P. Hera,
James Carlo Witt,
Marina Gavino,
Alan Riondanga from the Sepio of LGU Naga,
and the overall chairman of the DepEd Naga production team.
and the executive director of the 2018 Palarong Bicol,
Dr. Jobert P. Narvaez.
Narvaez.